Hey guys, Murray here from Lauria Volkswagen. Going to take you through the 2021 Tiguans. Going to stay behind the camera here, better for you, but just picture like Ryan Gosling or something like that, and that's pretty accurate, I think, so we'll just go with that. What I've got here, the black one, is a 2021 Tiguan R-Line, Highline R-Line with 4-motion all-wheel drive, and this one here is a 2021 Comfortline trim, also 4-motion all-wheel drive. Both vehicles have a 2-liter turbo engine with 184 horsepower and a 4-motion all-wheel drive. You can get it in a front-wheel drive as well. The reason I'm choosing these two is the Comfortline and the Highline tend to be our most popular, and I wanted to go through some of the differences between the two. And also, right now you can get 3 years of complimentary maintenance, so no oil changes, none of that stuff, for 3 years on all 21 Tiguans. As well, until the end of March, there's a 1% rate reduction, whether you're leasing or financing. So it's definitely a great time to come in. That's part of the VW loyalty program. So these are definitely good ones to look at. So first, I'm going to start on some of the exterior differences with the Comfortline, or between the two. I'll start on the Comfortline. First, you'll notice it's got 17-inch rims, okay, whereas the Highline's got 19-inch rims, okay. And then if you look at the front grille, you can see a little bit of a difference. I love the look of this Tiguan Comfortline. Fabulous vehicle, one of our best sellers, in fact, probably our best seller here at Lauria Volkswagen. You see it's got the fog lights, great look to it. But the R-Line like kicks it up a notch. It's a much sportier, more aggressive look to it. It's also got the LED headlights, and I love that little R-Line badge in the middle there. It's fantastic. And it's also got R-Line badge on the side there as well. Just absolutely love the Tiguan R-Line. It's fantastic. And the Comfortline is just the perfect family vehicle. So whichever one you're going to choose, great way to go. Let's check out the interior of the Comfortline. We'll go through some of the features, and then we're going to go into the Highline and see some of the differences there as well. All right, so we're here looking at the interior of the Comfortline. You notice it's got leatherette seating, looks fantastic, great for families and dogs and pets and all that sort of stuff. The leatherette is actually pretty nice because I didn't even realize it was leatherette for the first little while when I worked here. I thought it was just genuine leather anyway. So you'll love that. It's got a power driver's seat, which is fantastic. Okay, and in this model, it's got a panoramic sunroof. Love that roof, goes all the way to the back, and it's got the gray headliner up there. The panoramic roof, as well as navigation, is a package that comes on Comfortline, but it's optional. Okay, so it's on this one, but it's not on all of them, so that's something that you'd have to check out, but definitely a great feature. This one is a 5-passenger model. It comes in 5 or 7. All the Tiguans have that choice. And one of my favorite features of this, number one, tons of legroom, but number two, where was this thing when we were kids? Rear air conditioning plus power for, you know, iPads and all that sort of stuff. Love that feature. Just absolutely great. Okay, so we'll step right back into the front again. Another shot of that beautiful panoramic sunroof. So go up here. What I love is it's got the Kessie system, so it's got the push button start. All right, whoever created push button is awesome, and you don't have to worry about taking your keys out of your pocket, all that sort of stuff. I love that. So again, this one here has the navigation. It's also got dual climate control, heated seats. Again, the nav you don't always get on the Comfortline, but it is an option, and this one has it. And it's got Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, Android Auto. It's just absolutely fantastic. And it's also got the different drive modes, whether you're in snow or gravel or whatever. And it's got Eco and Sport mode, and and then your regular normal mode and all that sort of stuff. So tons of features, great looking interior. I love the Tiguan. It's got these comfort seats in the leatherette version, and yeah, just love the Comfortline here. And I'm fading fast, so let's go check out the Highline. Okay, here we are looking at the Highline R-Line. Right off the bat, you notice it's got leather sport seats instead of the leatherette. I love the look of these. Obviously this is a lighter one, which is up for debate sometimes whether people like these. I love them, but that's your preference. Obviously you can get whatever you want. One thing I want to point out as well here, front driver's got the memory seating. Great for when you've got more than one driver. Awesome. Very underrated feature if you ask me. And in the R-Line package you also get these brushed stainless pedals. Just a nice little touch, adds a little bit of a sport touch to it. And then another major feature between the Highline and the Comfortline, the audio in the Comfortline is fantastic, but the Fender audio in the Highline takes it to a whole nother level. 8 speakers with a subwoofer. It is fantastic. Another great view of that panoramic roof. And you'll notice, because we're in an R-Line, it's actually got a black headliner rather than gray. Just another nice little touch. I mean, this R-Line just goes together so well. Looks so great. Check out the back seat again. This right here, where were these things when I was driving around my dad's station wagon on road trips? Love that feature. Very underrated feature. And then we've also got 7-passenger seating back here. Now I may have been lying just a little bit about whether I look like Ryan Gosling. I'm slightly bigger than that, and I still fit back there. Trust me, if I can fit back there for a road trip, you can too. It's fantastic. Tons of room for hockey bags and golf clubs and all that sort of stuff. The Tiguan is a fantastic family vehicle, whether you're Comfortline or Highline. So we hop in here. Now you'll notice right away, this is the Volkswagen digital cockpit. This is one of the coolest things about the Highline package. So I've got my navigation right there in my display, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. You can still put it over here again if you like, just like normal. But having it up there by the odometer and the speedometer and everything, that's where you want it. We've got our dual climate control. In the Highline R-Line, you also get heated steering wheel, which is one of my favorite features. You've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the same features there. We've got our backup camera with park distance control and all that sort of stuff. Just an obvious one little feature here I want to show. We've got the R-Line badge on the steering wheel. Great looking steering wheel with light stitching. Love it. Yeah, so that's some of the differences between the Comfortline and the R-Line. They both safety features. They both get you autonomous emergency braking, as well as blind spot monitor, and you also get a few extra features in the Highline, like light keep assist and lane keep assist. Tons of features in these vehicles. Highly suggest you come and check one out today at Lauria Volkswagen. Thank you very much.